Today's topic for discussion is Aspergillus. Aspergillus, it is a fungus. It is a saprophytic fungus. Saprophytic fungus means those fungi which can grow on dead organic matter. Such fungi that are called as saprophytic fungus. And this Aspergillus, it is highly aerobic fungus. Why it is called aerobic fungus? Because it requires oxygen for its growth, that grows well in oxygen rich environment. Moist environment is very favorable for the growth of Aspergillus. In moist environment, it can grow even on the wet walls and decayed on seeds, on decayed matter, etc. It is a very common laboratory fungus. This Aspergillus grow on all types of starchy food. The mycelium of Aspergillus, mycelium means thallus of the Aspergillus, that is called mycelium. Thallus of any fungus, that is called mycelium. Mycelium of Aspergillus, it consists of septate hyphae. Hypha, it is a single thread of mycelium which is known as hypha. Okay. The fungus reproduce by asexual reproduction. What is asexual reproduction? Reproduction which takes place by formation of spores or which takes place in absence of gametes. That is called asexual reproduction. And this Aspergillus reproduces by asexual reproduction by formation of conidia or spores. Even the sexual reproduction occurs in Aspergillus. This sexual reproduction takes place by formation of male and female gamete. The female gamete of Aspergillus is known as ascogonium and the male gamete of Aspergillus is known as antheridium. And during formation of the asexual spores or conidia, the fertile hyphae grow erect, which are generally 2 to 3 or more septate, and these erect fertile hyphae are known as conidiophores. At the top of the conidiophore, a vesicle is developed, and on the surface of vesicle it is a rounded structure on which on the surface of vesicle a finger-like sterigmata are developed. On each sterigmata, a chain of conidia is produced in basipetal succession. Sterigmata are these sterile structures. These are bottle shaped. They support the growing chain of the conidia. Economically, Aspergillus is very important fungus because as it produces different types of diseases of plants, it causes several types of diseases of plants as well as animals including human beings. The Aspergillus also causes post-harvest diseases of fruits and seed deterioration. During storage, the seeds get rotted or get deteriorated due to growth of the Aspergillus. This is all about Aspergillus.